How to incorporate lighting into your interior design. Lighting is more than functionality. It's a core part of interior design. It shapes mood, defines areas, and enhances colors and textures. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to plan and place lighting, elements using Homestyler's visual design platform. Start by understanding the 3 types of lighting: ambient, task, and accent. Ambient lighting lights up the room as a whole. In Homestyler, you can simulate this using ceiling fixtures or recessed lights. Task lighting serves specific functions, like reading lamps or kitchen under-cabinet lights. Accent lighting highlights art, shelves, or architectural features. Use Homestyler's light simulation tools to place and preview different lighting setups in real time. You'll see how shadows move, how brightness affects room tone, and how fixtures work together. Experiment with color temperatures too. Warm light adds coziness, while cool light feels fresh and modern. You'll also learn how to layer lighting. Start with general overhead light. Add reading lamps or pendants, and finally, use the spotlighting for features. This balance ensures your room isn't just well lit, but thoughtfully designed. To test out these techniques, the link to access Homestyler is in the description. You'll be able to play with every lighting element and visualize results instantly. With Homestyler, lighting becomes a design element, not just a necessity.